Take 350 grams of chicken liver, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix spices and lever. Allow it to marinate for 20 to 30 minutes for the flavors to infuse. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 to 3 green chilies, slit lengthwise, adjust to your spice preference. 2 onions, finely sliced. Sauté until the onions turn golden brown. Now, add the marinated chicken livers to the skillet. Cook on medium-high heat until the livers are tender and cooked through, stirring occasionally. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Once the chicken livers are cooked, adjust the seasoning if needed. Add more salt or spices according to your taste preference. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder, freshly chopped coriander leaves, enjoy this flavorful and spicy treat that's sure to be a hit at your dining table.